So today we have this interesting algebraic equation. What makes this equation quite interesting that it contains the variable x we can see, but the x are not in multiplication, not in subtraction, not in division. They are in powers. That is why this equation is quite interesting. Now you can see I have already colored some of these things as yellow, blue and green. So when I will simplify this each term separately, so I will use the same color so there is less confusion. So first of all, we should have some knowledge of the exponential rules. The rules are somewhat like this way. So the color we will take is this one. Yes, now the exponential rule says that if a to the power m into a to the power n is there, so it would be a to the power m plus n. The bases are same, their powers are added. The second rule is that if the bases are different, a to the power m into b to the power m, so it would become a into b to the power m. And similarly with division, here we can see the powers are same, bases are different, so it would form this. This can be converted like this, or this can be converted like this. This can be written like this, or this can be written like this way. So these two rules would be used, and afterwards there's another rule. So writing right over here right now only, a to the power n upon b to the power n is equals to a upon b to the power n. This can be written like this way, or this can be written like this way. So these three exponential rule will be used to solve this equation. So first of all, let us have this yellow one. So we can see it's 3 to the power 2x plus 1. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1 is nothing but 3 to the power x plus 1. Now I can see 3 to the power x plus 1 would be when this is in this form, m plus n, and this can be converted in this form. So it can be written as 3 to the power x into 3 to the power x into 3. Yes. Blue one. Now we can see it's keeping the 2 there only this 15x we will substitute. So 15 to the power x is there. So I can see that 15 can be written as 5 into 3 and the power x. Now using this rule, a into b to the m can be written like this way. So it can be written as 5 to the power x into 3 to the power x. And as we have solved 3 to the power 2x plus 1, the last, we can say that 5 to the power 2x plus 1 would be splitted like that way only. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1, it would form as 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x into 1. So we have simplified this 3, but we have to find the value of x. So first of all, putting this simplified values in the equation. So we have that. Now taking a single color and moving on, we have split 3 to the power 2x plus 1 as 3 to the power x into 3 to the power x into 1, not 1, 3, minus 2 times 15 was split as 5 to the power x into 3 to the power x, and that is equals to 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x into 5. And now the main step, we can say, we will divide this all equation LHS and RHS by 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x, 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x, 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x. The HS and RHS, all of them has been divided by 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x. Now I can see 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x cancelled. Here I can see 5x, 3x, 5x, 3x cancel. Here I can observe is 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x cancelled. Now look over this exponential rule that a m b n can be written as a upon b to the power n. Similarly, here I can observe is this thing. Now I will highlight them with the blue. You can see 3 to the power x and 5 to the power x. Here we can see 5 to the power x, 3 to the power x. So that rules can be applied. So it would become 3 upon 5 to the power x minus 2. Here nothing is there, so only 2, and that is equals to 5 upon 3 to the power x. Now you can see this 5 is left, so it would be in multiplication with this all, and here 3 is left, so it would be 3 in multiplication over here. Yes. Now the algebraic, we can say, now algebraic substitution would be used. The substitution is so that we will consider 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power x as a. So if this is considered as a, then 5 upon 3 to the power x would be 1 upon a, because we can see 3 upon 5 x and here's 5 upon 3, it's reciprocal. So whatever we have considered is a, so that would also be reciprocal. Now we will put this value instead of this and this in this equation. So what we get is this thing, 3 into a minus 2 is equals to 5 into 1 upon a, according to the a's we have considered. Now shifting a over here, so 3 times a square minus 2 times a is equals to 5. Now bringing that 5, so 3 times a square minus 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. Now I can say 3 into 5, it's a quadratic equation, and 3, 5, 15 and 2 can be bringing down as 3 minus 5. So I will 3a square minus 3, not minus, plus 3a minus 5a minus 5 is equals to 0. Split it 2 as this way. Now you can see here 3a taken common, so a plus 1. Here negative 5 taken common, so a plus 1, and that is equals to 0. So we have that a plus 1 or else 3a minus 5 is equals to 0. Now either we have that this is equals to 0 or either this is equals to 0. So when we equate both as equals to 0, so we get that from here we get that a is equals to negative 1, and from here we obtain 5 upon 3. Now we have to find the value of x according to the question. So we have the value of a, and from here we can see I have considered a as 3 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power x, and here's the value of a we have obtained. So comparing this both, so we have that 3 upon 5 to the power x was equals to a, and a is equals to either negative 1 or 5 upon 3. Now we have that any real number to the power a natural number, or we can say yes, integer, positive integer is always a natural number. Smallest is 1, that is any power 0. So we have that they are always positive. There are negative, but when there's a complex plane, so we will just go for the positive value, that is 5 upon 3. We will just exclude the negative one. So we have that 3 upon 5 to the power x is equals to 5 upon 3, and 5 upon 3 is nothing but 3 upon 5 to the power negative 1. It's reciprocal. 3 upon 5 reciprocal form is 3 upon 5 to the power negative 1. Now comparing this and this, we have that x is equals to negative 1, and that's our answer, that x is equals to negative 1 would satisfy this equation, that 3 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2 times 15 to the power x is equals to 15, 5 times 2x plus 1, and x is equals to negative 1 would satisfy this equation. So if you found this problem interesting, do subscribe to the channel and admit that you are unable to solve this interesting problem by giving a like to the video. And also you can suggest me more cool problems like this way on my Instagram, link is in the description.